Yeah, it's part of the dog kennel. My partner, what's up, bro, man? Yeah, I'm doing a little clean. So you see, we got the doggy doors. The doggy doors. Smoke, he love water. He love taking time water. Go in here. You know, the kennels we did. She pregnant. Kennels we did, you know. Look, man, we got a dope one right there to go out to the kennel. So right now we just clean it up, you know, bad way through things, you know. Other than that, old dog room. We're gonna turn this to a straight puppy and female room. We gotta do a little touching up, but we gonna get it better. Stay tuned though, man. Puppies on the way. From that beautiful stud y'all seen out there.